celebration from August 5. Actually, this is a whole month celebration. Of course, hindi na ito kalimutan ako ang Mass President, the Father Rico Migdal. By the way, Father Rico is not only a priest, he is also a canon lawyer. And our companion before. We would like to thank also, of course, Doc Ed Bilibo, our President and CEO. Our Vice President for Finance, Madam Neng Bilibo. And with us today, all the way from Cebu, our General Manager, Madam Sumin Roderos. Her handsome husband, our one ASAP chairman, Chief Fidel Roderos. With us also our members of the management team, Robert, Tabada, Sir Ingles, the team leader of the choir. Very good. I have seen some branch managers from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, natulog po sila uban sa ilahang whole night activity. Our department heads, head of the prime school, Ma'am Carmen and Ma'am LB, teachers, trainers, employees, students, working scholars. We have also members of the Alternativo, friends and guests. Thank you so much. Nabiligin ang mga members of our leaders. After ani ang mga branch managers, doon na tayo meeting sa bar area na alas 9:30 or 10 o'clock siguro. And I'd like to invite everyone during our program tonight.